Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello friends. So today I will be giving you guys another tutorial. So in this case, I will be telling you guys how to make an ID card application without any coding. So it will be easy. So you guys don't need to really think about that much because we are going to use block coding, which is like Scratch, and so it's easy to make apps with this. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to open kodular.io. I will show you guys the link here. Okay, this is the kodular.io. You guys can check. Okay, now go back to Kodular, and if you guys already opened this page, you guys can now click Create Apps. There will be a loading here, so you guys can wait while it's recording. Okay, so you guys can wait. The application is opening. So it's good to have Coder actually because it's a web-based thing that makes you can make apps without downloading anything. Okay, so we are on the home screen now. If you guys haven't logged in yet, you guys can just log in with Google account. It's because it's easier. And yeah, okay. So this is all the projects that I have made. So in this project, we will be making ID card app, which can show you your identity without anything. So the first thing you guys might need to do is just go create project. Okay, so you guys can give the project name. For let's just name it ID card underscore ID card underscore tutorial. You guys can just name it ID underscore card, and you guys cannot use any spacing because you cannot do that. You guys can just use underscore. Okay, so you guys can just press next and then configure the app name. Just name it ID card. The theme default. Okay, then you guys can use this package name. So what is package name? Basically it is a unique code, so you guys can make it different from other apps because there is some apps that has the same name but different developer. So yeah, you guys can just name it com. For me it's ken.id card like that. Okay, so you guys don't need to change this. If you guys want to change it, you guys can just change it, but I don't need to change. So you guys can just finish, and this is getting things ready. You guys can wait while it's done loading. Okay, while waiting, you guys can do something. It's not really that long actually if you have opened Encoder before, but yeah, it's if your internet is a bit like things like that, it's a bit long, but yeah, now we have opened it. So this is the display of the applications. We got Google Pixel 3, we got LG Nexus 5X, Samsung Galaxy S9, and others. For me, if you want a really big display, you just can just use Samsung Galaxy S9. It's bigger, and you guys can make it more extended actually. Okay, so for the screen, you guys can just change this uh, name to ID card. Okay, ID card. Okay, done. So, okay, you guys can add a subtitle, or if you don't want to have the title, you guys can just uncheck this. It will be disappeared. But for me, since it is the first episode of the tutorial, let's just use the title first. Okay, let's add the title bar. Contact me below. Me below. Okay, just like that. Okay, and then you guys can change this. Uh, you guys can change the background image. You guys can upload anything here. Let's just upload something probably. Let me try to upload gradient background or background. Wait, I'm searching for the thing. Or you guys can just put it white. Okay, so since we are going to make an ID card app, let's just put it white or something. Let's just change the background color. You guys can change it to probably red or something, or black or what, up to you. Okay, this not bad. Okay, let me try to find something really good. Yes, can just download any image and put it here. What can I put? Wait, okay, now this. Okay, I got my image here. You guys can just put it here. Okay, so I have just uploaded my image, and now you guys can change the background image to the thing that you have uploaded. Okay, done. Okay, so now let's just make the application. So this is going to be a bit difficult, so you guys can go to layout, general. This is the things where you need, but I think we don't need this right now. So yeah, there is a user interface for buttons and things like that, but we will be needing this later, not now. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is use the general card view. Put it right here. Now, oh yeah, change the screen one, align horizontal to center, and align vertical to center too. So it will be in the middle. Okay, so first of all, you guys can change the content padding bottom and content padding top to 32, like this. And you guys can change the corner radius to 38 for making it a bit rounded. Okay, like that. Okay, so now we're going to change the height to automatic and the width to 80%. Okay, not bad actually. So okay, like we can probably change the height something like 50%. We need a bit 70%. Okay, this is good actually. Okay, so now you guys can change the. You guys can add something in here. Okay, let's put the align horizontal to center. So in this case, we will be adding things here. So the first thing you guys will be adding is your picture. And here I'm gonna put an image here. Uh, let's add something. You guys can add your own image, like your face. I will be adding. I'm not gonna be adding my face, but I'm gonna be adding something of it. Uh, okay, probably adding uh, some my face probably. Wait, you guys can add any image actually. So I will be adding my face with. I'm gonna try to find the picture first. Okay, so now here I have just found my image. Mm, okay, this is the image for me. I'm not gonna be using my real face here. Okay, so now we can just rearrange the things. Okay, so let's put here the height to 130 px. pixel and the width to 130 pixel. This way the image will be tiny and not big and fits. Okay, so now for it we will be adding a space here, this space below here, and after that we put the height to 15 px. We don't need the width because it's not really that useful, because we don't need the right or left components. Okay, after that you guys can add another a label. What is label? Where you guys can put any text there. So we will be putting our name here. Let's put like my name. It's too long, so let's this. Okay. Okay, so let's change the font size to 24, I think, and make the font bold and the width filter. Okay, that. Okay. Why is this on the left? Oh yeah. You guys can change the text alignment to center. That way your text will be in the middle. Okay, so after that we can just add another space. Space you guys can just duplicate from here. And change the height into 8 pixel. Now we'll be adding another label. Let's put like our title, like Android enthusiast. Okay, here we have put our title here. You guys can just change the font size of it. I'll be putting 16. 16. Okay, done. Put the text alignment in the middle, center. Sorry. Okay, you guys can make the font bold. It's your option actually, and you it automatically. I mean filter. Okay, I think it's better not to be bold. You guys can also change the text color. I will probably put blue. Okay, there. Bold. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, so now you guys can add another thing here. Okay, you guys can add space. Wait, okay. If you guys want to add space, you can. I will be adding another space, which is 32 pixel. Sorry, the laptop is a bit laggy. Okay, now we are going to make a social media. Let's go to the user interface layout and general. Now let's put it horizontal arrangement. Okay, in the horizontal arrangement, let's just put it center and the width prepare. Put this center. Let's change the height into probably 20%. I think 10% is 10% is good. Okay, this is good. Okay, so now this will be the last thing. Let's add another thing. Let's add vertical lines. Okay, wait. Uh, Change the it to center, the height and width automatic. Center. Okay, we will be adding another things like image here. Okay, again an image. And then we will be adding image but button. So we'll make it click. Okay, let's delete the image here. Okay, this text for button one. Let's delete this button text. Okay, change the image to WhatsApp again. Let's add a WhatsApp or Instagram or something. Instagram logo. Okay, I have been adding it. Okay, now we have done adding it. Let's change the image to that Instagram logo. Okay, it's changing. I don't know why it's a bit laggy and change. Let's change the height to 30 pixels and the width. Okay, done. So yeah, let's add a label. Okay, let's change the label to Instagram. Okay, I think this is all from me. I know it's not completed yet, but probably we will be trying to add more things later. Let's just make the things to center properly to make it better. Okay, okay, I think this is enough for me because the other methods is probably the same. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye. See you next time.